Today, I'm going to give you a concise, step-by-step plan for completely transforming your life in just 21 days by harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. Of course, this hinges on you diligently completing all the tasks on a consistent basis. Although the tasks themselves are simple, they are highly effective. This method draws on the ideas of the renowned Joseph Murphy, author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. If your goal is to improve your health, get your finances in order, or achieve harmony in your relationships, then this video is for you. You'll receive a straightforward yet very powerful 21-day plan. I'll explain what needs to be done each day in order to reprogram your subconscious mind and direct it toward accomplishing your goals. These techniques have helped thousands of people, all thanks to the proper use of subconscious power. Our subconscious is a powerful tool that works around the clock, taking in the beliefs and thoughts we plant and then manifesting them in reality. As Joseph Murphy used to say, your subconscious is like a garden where the seeds you sow will grow. Why 21 days? Because 21 days is the minimum span needed to establish a new habit. That's the amount of time our brain needs to forge new neural pathways and reinforce positive changes. What will you need? A journal or a notebook for keeping track, a quiet spot for meditation and affirmations, and a small block of time when no one will distract you. And, of course, you'll need the mindset for daily practice. Here's the step-by-step plan. Day 1. Begin by setting your goals. Take your notebook and write down all your desires in any area you want. For example, I am healthy and full of energy. I earn X amount of money per month. I build harmonious relationships with my loved ones. Don't hold back. Write down everything that currently comes to mind. The more, the better. Then, from that entire list, pick out the 10 wishes that feel most significant and focus on them. Add morning affirmations to your routine. These are simple statements that you repeat out loud or in your mind. For instance, my subconscious mind helps me achieve success every day. My life is getting better and better. Say them with confidence, preferably while looking in the mirror. From day 3 to day 7, practice daily visualization. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day closing your eyes, clearing your head, relaxing, and picturing yourself as though you've already achieved your goal. If your target is financial well-being, visualize checking your bank account and seeing the exact amount you desire. Feel the excitement and confidence of having reached that milestone. From day 8 to day 14, it's time to work on limiting beliefs. On day 8, write down the negative beliefs that hold you back. Things like, money only comes through hard work, or I'm unlucky in my personal life. Then from days 9 through 11, start replacing those beliefs with positive ones. Write and repeat statements such as, money comes to me easily and gladly. I deserve love and happiness. Every time you catch yourself in a negative thought, switch it immediately to a positive one. From day 12 to day 14, deepen your practice by adding evening meditations before going to bed. Sit quietly, relax, and repeat your affirmations. During this period, the subconscious is especially receptive. From day 15 to day 21, you'll be solidifying your new reality. Begin living as if your goal has already been reached. If you aim to attract wealth, behave like a person who already has money. Value your resources, be generous, and express gratitude for every bit of income. From day 18 to day 20, practice gratitude by writing down 5 things you are thankful for each day in your journal. These can be small things. I'm thankful for today's wonderful sunny weather. The feeling of gratitude strengthens your connection to your subconscious and draws more positive experiences into your life. On the final day, day 21, reflect on everything. Jot down any changes that have taken place over the past 3 weeks. What results have you noticed? How do you feel now? Keep using these subconscious techniques to continue transforming your life. All you really need is consistency and faith in the process. There's nothing complicated here. Regularity is key. By following this plan, you lay the groundwork for future changes. Start immediately. Grab a notebook and pen, write down your goals, and take that very first step. In just 21 days, you'll begin to see how shifts unfold, very possibly even sooner. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, share which goal you want to achieve in 21 days and how your progress goes. Thank you for watching until the end, and remember that the power to change your life already lies within you. See you in future videos.